I concur with what he said. I've also met with the people involved here in Potawatomi County. And there's one specific thing that is of some concern. Potawatomi County has a pretty unique, to a degree, mental health program with our jail system, which is important, and we're going to make sure and raise that issue that is somehow allowed to continue to move ahead. But to the point how we're going to protect it, the supervisors, county supervisors have been very active in this, and the chair of the House Human Services Appropriations Committee, Representative Ann Meyer, has told them, please come to Des Moines, let's sit down, let's get these questions fleshed out, and then we can talk to the Department of DHS about some of them. Having said that, we're going to try to address some of those things, but this law that called for the mental health redesign of the system, which, you know, when you see failing parts of the state, you try to address that, and sometimes there are some unintended consequences to some areas that are doing well, and this would be one of those instances. I believe, I don't know, I'll go back and check, that mental health redesign system passed probably pretty much unanimously, as I recall, because it's the right way to go, but there are certainly some things there that in particular regions probably benefited more, and some other regions would have some things that they didn't like as well. So those questions have been raised, and we are, you know, we're going to have that meeting whenever the supervisors arrange that, and we'll make sure those concerns are heard. But the law has been passed and it's already being implemented. I don't agree with all of it, but it certainly, the intention was good. And in terms of funding, as Senator Dawson said, over the past 5 years, we have put a substantial amount of new money in mental health, but it's not enough. Mental health is one of the biggest problems facing us from kindergarten on up, and so we'll continue to focus on that. But we'll make sure that the concerns are heard at the state level and do what we can to maybe modify some of that.